So we start out today's video with someone who has long, very long dark hair. The stylist places the hair in some ponytails. And cuts the hair into a bob. Very nice. Beautiful, chic, tousled bob style. She looks incredible. Hello everyone, welcome back to the Fashion Trend Seeker. So today we're going to be checking out some Bob and Pixie haircut ideas. So if you've been thinking of shaking things up with a Bob or Pixie style, you've come to the right place. Here we have someone rocking out this really pretty, chic, classic Bob. This one is all black and features some curtain bangs and a center part down the middle. Next up, we have a hair transformation. So the stylist chops the hair off. Wow, beautiful bob haircut. I love the way that her color looks within this. Very nice. And then we have someone else who has some salt and pepper hair. The stylist is going to be doing a pixie cut for this hair change. Wow. She does have the feather bangs going there in the front. I love how this frames her face. She looks remarkable. So then we move on to the next transformation. Looks like she's getting a bob for this one. Wow, look at all that hair. Beautiful blunt bob style with the center part down the middle. Very nice. So if you guys do feel inspired by any of the hairstyles featured in today's video, please be sure to give it a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and you'll stay up to date on all the latest and the hottest hair trends. Next up, we have this pixie cut makeover. Very nice. She does have her salt and pepper hair with that as well. And then we see this chic and stylish bob. Beautiful angle for this one. And then we see another long to short transformation. Wow, loving this classic Pixie style. Has so much volume and body. Very nice. And then we see someone heading to the salon for a Pixie cut refresh. Gorgeous. Very nice. I love the color on this as well. Ooh, curly pixie style. Love the color with the ginger copper tone. Beautiful. And then we have another bold hair idea. So she's going to be getting some blue hair color for this. Very nice. She does have the bangs, the bob style. Oh, I love how she paired this with an orange lip. So pretty. Another shoulder length bob. Followed by a pixie cut refresh. Love her makeup. Very nice spiky texture going there down the middle. Alright, you guys, I hope you have enjoyed checking out all of these hairstyle ideas with me today. If you did, please be sure to like the video, give it a big thumbs up, and I will see you in the next one.